Hi, I'm Katie and welcome back to a Southern Lady's Ramblings. Today I am videoing an unboxing of my KnitCrate. It's the November box. I totally am late because I was sick most of November. I feel like I had the flu twice and everything else. So yeah, I'm a little late filming it, but I figured show it off because I really like it. And there'll also be a coupon code in the description box below to get your first crate for $5. So without any longer, okay, so KnitCrate comes, you open up the box and you get to see, it's really pretty. Got a cute little tissue paper, and this is the sock membership. So it came with one skein of Vidalian Delight Sport. It's a sport weight sock yarn. Colorway depth 100% superwash merino, 340 yards and 100 grams, 310 meters. It is machine washable, tumble dry, which I don't ever really wash. I've made the mistake of accidentally washing socks that I thought were superwash, and they weren't. And I ended up getting something like this. Like, this was my fingerless mitt. It was covered in dog hair, so I decided to wash it. I thought it was super washable. It wasn't. So, alright, long story. Get off of that one. Back to what we're coming here for the KnitCrate review. KnitCrate this sock membership this month came with this cute little charm handmade by Sammy Sews Creations. It's an Etsy boutique, and it was sea creature inspired. Sorry if you hear some noise in the background. My washing machine's decided to come on and be loud. But so I got the cute little starfish. So adorable little starfish progress keeper. So yes, go check her out. Sammy Sews Creations. But yes, it came in the KnitCrate box. Another thing the KnitCrate box comes with is a pattern book. Every month, no matter which crate you get a pattern book with all the patterns for both crates. So this one has the pattern. It tells all about the yarns. So this tells about the sock yarns and which 3 yarns you got with it. So you could have had a chance to get one of 3 colors. And I got purple, which I love purple. I've gotten a few of their purple skeins. But I love KnitCrate. I absolutely love KnitCrate. And this was the membership crate yarns. So it tells you about each yarn, what the yarn is. It also has patterns. There's digital patterns, also PDF patterns. These are the patterns that come in the book. This is for the socks, the sport weight socks. There's a crochet version and a knit version. There's also a crochet version, a crochet pattern for a cowl for the membership crate, and then there's a knit hat pattern and a knit fingerless mitts. So, but all the patterns are in here. I'm not going to show you the patterns. They're very detailed, really pretty pictures. There's that one. You can also find them on Ravelry. And then there's the larger version of the crochet socks. I have never crocheted socks before, so that might be something I would like to try. And then there's also the knit socks, and it shows you if you had gotten 2 crates, you could have done a 2-color version of this sock. But overall, I really love KnitCrate, and ever since they started doing these pattern books, I really feel like the value of the KnitCrate has went up. Now, I will say I love the yarn, and for $24 a month to get something really pretty, and then now they've started adding something fun in the packages, so you get a little fun thing as well. So they have the sock membership and the regular membership crate. It's very fun. It's neat. I like the surprise of getting yarn in the mail every month. And as I said, there's going to be a coupon code below that will tell you all about, you get $5 for your first box. So go sign up and get the December box. Here's a sneak peek of the December box. It's called Greenery. I know they've already showed it on their Instagram account, but this is the mood board for December. So yeah, if you want to get into the December month, I will have a special coupon in the link below. And this is definitely something fun, a really fun color to get in your mailbox. I love seeing it every month. As I said, I've done KnitCrate for a couple of years. I have lots of KnitCrate yarn in my stash. I've knit a lot of things with KnitCrate yarn. I've had both the sock and the regular membership, and so I definitely recommend it if you want to try some different yarn every month. You can choose if you want sock fingering weight or if you want the membership crate sometimes has fingering weight in it, and sometimes you'll get 2 skeins. But this one, actually, the membership crate for November, you did get 2 skeins of the same color in your crate, in the crate. They were looks like they were 50 gram skeins, and it was a worsted weight. So it was a worsted weight, so 150 yards in each of those skeins, and you got 2 skeins in that. And then for the sock yarn, you got 1 skein of sport weight. But it's definitely fun. It's definitely worth the money. You can at least try it out for $5. It's definitely a great value for $5. So go try it out, order your crate, and come back and give me a comment. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy it, and have a good day. Come back and see us. If you like this video, hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button down below for more videos. Coming at you this month, we will be having Vlogmas. We're doing a video each month. So I hope you enjoy it. Have a good day.